what are you doing? Did you climb in the chair?
No.
You didn't? How did you get up there then? You needed to get the books?
No.
No? Then what did you need to do up there? Well, be careful getting down. Down is a lot harder than up.
No.
Oh, it's not harder than up? Show me how you're going to get down. That was pretty impressive. Can you give me a kiss? Oh, you got me! Give me a kiss.
Hey.
Oh, ah. So much for that.